All right, so I wanted to show you guys a few things today. We've got stuff coming up during the off season. The season is 2023 season about over, and it's been a good season. We've had a lot of fun, and but we got plans for the future. So I want to take y'all through just quickly what we're doing, what we got planned, what we're trying to get accomplished. So hang in there. All right, you can see we're right at the end of my driveway. We're building a shop. So I am super excited because now I can get out of the garage that's attached to the house because it's honestly, it's just not big enough. And once this shop gets built, we will have a lot more space to do our racing. So we got the driveway coming down, and then I'll take y'all on a quick tour of what we got so far. So you got the driveway coming down, and then right here where it levels off, right in this area, this is going to be what we're going to call the wash pad. I'm thinking about putting like a roof or something over it, but right now it's just going to be the wash pad. We'll pull our carts, cars, whatever we want to, right in this area and wash them up. And then the shop itself is going to be right there. We are, like I said, we're super excited. I am to finally get some space that's dedicated just to racing, and we'll be able to pull our carts in there, do all of our setups and engine building, swap outs, tire, everything. It's going to be awesome. So I'm looking forward to it, and got a few ideas picked out for the name. But we'll share those at a later time. So anyway, so new shop's gonna go right here. For those of y'all that want to know, it's a 28 by 24. So it's not a huge shop, but for what we need, it's gonna be good. So okay. So hopefully today, this will be the last time that we have this, because they should be coming here today to do concrete, and hopefully here in the next few minutes I'll be able to get some video of them pouring the concrete, and we'll go from there. But getting excited, looking forward to it. So hoping that the everything goes well, the weather stays beautiful like it is right now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and the sun's coming out, so it's looking good for the pour. The inspector came and everything looked good, and so yeah, look, I'm gonna have a race shop. Getting excited. Second truck is making 4 foundation. First truck's done. about to finish up with the pour anyway. Okay, so the concrete is poured. Now it's just a waiting game. We got wet concrete. And they're going to come back out after it firms up and start smoothing it out, polishing it out, putting the whirly-bird on it. But man, what a difference a couple hours makes. Look at this. Getting excited. Hopefully, a few weeks, there'll be a race shop here. It's a mess right now, but we will turn it into something, I promise. Little whirly-bird. Oh yeah. Got the sidewalk to the pool done too. So, hey, coming along, man. Pretty cool. All right. I believe that they are done. We'll do a walk around and just kind of look at it. I'm not gonna get on it yet because they just left a little while ago. See where the door is gonna go. Garage door, it's gonna be right there. That's my little ramp. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we had to build this up quite a bit. Probably about, I'm gonna say it's probably about a good 4.5 to 5 feet. So, this is it. Very, very cool. I like it.